And this is the amazing, amazing couplet. Syare tahrat mein ja ghadi vasande miya. This is the heaviest ever line I have read in Bhitai. Syare tahrat mein ja ghadi vasande miya. Now imagine sometimes Soni is speaking, sometimes Bhitai himself is speaking. How he portrays the scene. On the one hand, it's ruthless winter. In just one line, it's a ruthless winter. It's so cold, and then it's night. And she's in the water swimming, and the rain is pouring. Syare tahrat mein ja ghadi vasande meeh, halo tapasu suni jakar jane neeh, jenke rato deeh mehari man mein. So on the one hand, it's ruthless winters, and Suni enters the deep waters in the midst of the cold night. On the other hand, rain is pouring out. Latif says, let's go and meet that Suni. She knows the etiquettes of love. She doesn't care. She doesn't care about the night. She doesn't care about the winters. She doesn't care about the broken jar. And she doesn't care about the pouring rain. Halo tapasu Suni, jakar jane ni jenke rato di mehari man mein. So let's go and meet Suni because she has etiquettes of love, who is day and night constantly absorbed into the memory of her beloved Mehar.